Hey, hey, hey. So, oh lordy. Okay, so what I'm going to be discussing about and what I have in front of me is the 10-minute success bold and bad fragrant Thai Jasmine Rice. I'm just gonna start off by saying I love white rice. I love white rice. I don't need any butter, any salt, any pepper, any sauce, no mixing, no mashing, no combining. I love white rice. And this is Thai rice. So, but anyway, I took it out of the bag so you can kind of see what it looks like as far as, how much rice and what you would have to do. Believe me, this is a lot of rice when it's boiled and when it's cooked. Yeah, this is a good amount of rice, especially for one person. Anyway, and I love big things of rice anyway. I don't know. I just love white rice. Always had. So anyway, this is certified gluten-free and non-GMO. So that's cool. And then you kind of just see, kind of give it like a little example, a little what you can do. This came in 4 bags, and it just gives you like the recipe and kind of like the information of the white rice. So anyway, you can make this rice with either 2 ways. You can put it in a microwave or you can do it on the stove, and they got it on here like directions and stuff like that. One time when I was really hungry and I just had cooked chicken, and I was like, okay, I don't have any vegetables, I don't have anything, so I looked in the pantry, saw this white rice, put it in the microwave, and it was good. Second time around, however, I made that rice a little bit too hard, and I believe I put it in the microwave way too long. But it tastes just the same as if I was like cooking it on the stove. Ouch. It tastes rich. It tastes so good. Like if you cook it the right way, I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. It tastes so fresh. Like if you are a person that likes to eat white rice by itself, like have your meat, on one section of the plate and then your rice on another section. Or if you like to eat, I don't know, like salmon patties with white rice or something like that. This is some good rice. I know they have, I think it also comes like in a pack, like something like this. But I mean, of course, it says like the logo and everything on it, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. Might be a different brand, I don't know. But anyway, it's not really hard to make. I mean, for instance, like if you was cooking on the stove, you just read the directions on how long it's supposed to stay on the stove. You put the amount of water in pot that it says. Sometimes I go over, sometimes I go under, but the rice is still taste the same, look the same, feel the same, all that. So anyway, you just dip it in the pot. Okay, so you dip it in the pot, right? Let it cook. Then it boils. Starts boiling up. Starts getting real hot. Okay. So you drain the water out, okay? Or if you want to, if it's easier for you, you can easily just take the bag out, get you a nice bowl. Cut. I like cutting with some shears or something. Cut across, tip it over, put it in a bowl, and you're good to go. And I'm talking about one of these big bowls, something like this big, and probably from like I have a bowl like probably like maybe like this big, maybe about, I don't know. I feel like it covers up most of this box, maybe about this big, but it fills it up, and that's just one bag. So yeah, that's a lot of rice. Anyway, but like this is perfect for like if you wanted to make, like I was saying before, if you eat white rice by itself and you have like salmon cakes, you know, and then you just have white rice, or if you just want to eat chicken and white rice, that's exactly what I did. I had some chicken and I had some white rice. You don't make some stir fry, have this on the side as far as like with noodles or anything, or you can make it like if you was to make, I forgot what the dish is called, but it's, you have, I can just talk about what you have. So you have the rice at the bottom, then you have black beans up at top, then you have chicken, and then, or you can put the chicken and you have the black beans. It doesn't really matter. I just know the rice goes first. Then you have the beans or whatever. Then you have the chicken. Then you have tomatoes, and then you have the onions, and then you have, and it doesn't matter what kind of onions you have, like green onions, chives, whatever. And then you plop on some sour cream. I believe a public did that, and my mom was like, I want to make something like that, and so she did, and she used this rice for it. So that also tastes amazing too. So, and it's not, you don't have to take a long time. It doesn't take a long time to make this rice too. That's another good thing about this brand. 10 minutes, that's it. I mean, you know, like, come on. And if you even want to be even quicker, then you can use the microwave. But yeah, on the stove, it's not that long too. I was just really, really hungry. I've been buying this, I don't know how long. It's been a while. It has been a while since I bought this. This is some good stuff. Anyway, again, this is the 10-minute success. Boil and bag jasmine rice.